Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. Now before we start the analysis, if you are new to this channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. After watching this video, if you find some values, so subscribe and like. And below the video, you will find many links. The top 4 links are for those people who wants to make money in swing trading. Okay, so the first link says swing trading on automation, so you can click on this link, then come to this page here, and then this is the the software I have created, which you can install on your chart and start your daily swing trading. Okay, so maybe I'm the first human on the planet to automate daily swing trading, so I have transferred my human knowledge into this robot and everything is created by me. So if you want to automate the whole process of daily charts into trading, then check out the first link below which says swing trading on automation. Then second link is about join free Telegram. So make sure you connect with my free Telegram at least if you want to get some signals every now and then, or you want to stay updated. So join Telegram absolutely for free. Just below that, you have a link which says join premium signals. So in case you want to get some premium signals, you can check that out. And then check out the brokers in the prop firm right here. And make sure you join these brokers because I have been using them for last maybe 4 years and more. And they have, no issues in withdrawals, because when you are into trading, the biggest problem is if your broker will pay you the money on time or not, or if they will run away with your money. Okay, so these are those trusted brokers in the pro firms. So go and join them to start your trading journey. Subscribe, like all of that, and check out these links. As I said, top 4 links are for traders, and these below links are for affiliate marketing. If you want to make money with affiliate marketing on YouTube or other stuff. Okay, so you can check out everything. Top 4 belongs to the traders, right? And especially if you want to automate everything, then check out the first one and come to this page. Watch this video to see the results. Now subscribe, like blah blah blah. Now let's start the analysis. All right, so USDJPY today analysis. Let's start the top down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly, we what? Right, so we broke above the EMA with the bullish breakout, and then in 2 days we are back to the square. So this was a bullish hammer. This is the past now, so go and watch my previous videos. So this was a bullish hammer in weekly last week, and this was a bullish breakout, sorry. And then now we have the engulfing, but this is only 2 days now, okay? Monday, Tuesday gone almost. So in 2 days we are down, coming back to daily chart. In daily, we are just near the EMI, okay? 4 hour, let me have a look at the 4 hour. So 4 hour, we are right below the EMI. So this could be the continuation of the downtrend after the pullback, okay? So pullback and then we go down. Let's get back to daily time frame. That's my bread and butter daily chart. So this is your new high. This was your new uptrend. Pullback, we might go up. Now the key is if the price breaks below the EMI. So this is the Tuesday candle. Okay, Tuesday 30th of September. Okay, so if this red candle breaks below the EMI green line here, then this is going to continue and take down this, possibly this low or this low. Okay, so if the candle closes below the EMI, that will be the continuation of the downtrend. Otherwise, if you have any engulfing candle coming tomorrow, day after tomorrow, which eats this red candle, then it will be the continuation of the uptrend. Okay, so wait and watch, because it's all about rejection from the EMI, then bullish engulfing, or else breaking below the EMI and then continue going down for the last low. Okay, so I'm not going to tell you everything. I just told you a lot of things for free. So subscribe, like, and by watching my videos, if you're watching my videos for the first time, go and watch other videos on my channel. If I have the knowledge or not, because what I have done is I have transferred my human knowledge into this robot. I have made this robot which you can install on your chart, and you can start printing money in the long run. Okay, so go and check out the results on this page, and then you can decide if you want to get this or not. Join Telegram obviously for free, and subscribe, like, and I'll see you in my next videos. Till then, take care.